Hi, everyone. My name is Eileen Dunham, and I am a product marketer at Verbit. So we're here at InfoComm exhibiting our solutions today. So just to give you a bit of background, Verbit is a voice AI company specializing in voice-to-text solutions. So that's what we're here at InfoComm to showcase that to the audience here today. So what we're doing here is focusing on accessibility for learning and working spaces. So we've got live and recorded captioning for events, meeting rooms, classrooms, higher ed. We also do transcription, AI audio description, and we also do content localization as well. So dubbing, subtitles, translation. We also have a lot of integrations into different video conferencing platforms, video hosting platforms. And so that's what we're really focused on, and we're super excited to be here showcasing our solutions. So thank you.